Hey guys, what's going on? Today we will be recreating the following logo that you see on screen. I will not try to pronounce this because I will mess up massively. However, it is used in Poland in a healthcare business and it was designed by Karol Sliwka. Let's go ahead and get started. Jump into Illustrator. On the left hand side, you are watching the original logo. On the right hand side, the orange one, that is the one that I recreated. Go to File, New to create a new document. I like to use letter. I like to use landscapes. Sometimes I like to use inches. I'm using points on this one for no particular reason. Go to File, Place. Place your logo somewhere on your canvas. Click the letter S to activate the scale tool. Click enter and make sure this uniform circle is selected and scale it to 150%. Click OK. Lock it. Rename this layer original logo. On a new layer, which is our logo, click on the line tool, zoom in to your logo, give this a different, switch the fill and the stroke, give this a different color for the stroke. From one of these lines, it doesn't have to be exact, click shift and make a straight line down. So we have this stroke. Give this stroke a 10-point weight. Down here in the stroke panel, right, if you don't see that, go to Window, Stroke. In the profile, click on Width Profile number 4. Drag that to another part of the canvas. Make a circle. This time give it a fill, no stroke. Make a circle roughly the same size as the inside of your original logo. Doesn't have to be perfect. That looks pretty good. Let's give this a different color. Select both of these. Click on the red circle and click Horizontal Align Center. You want to make sure the tip of the stroke aligns with the top of the circle. Select your orange stroke. Click the letter R. Hover your mouse over the center of the circle. And you're going to see that center notification. Holding Alt, click once. You see this dialog pop up. Here you're going to type in 360, which is the degrees, divided by the number of lines that we need, and we need 38. And that gives you a 9.47 angle. Click copy. And then you are going to hit Control D on your keyboard. And we're duplicating this action. Now, select your orange strokes if you want to select them one by one, but you can click the wand tool up here on your tools and select the stroke, and it's going to select everything that has similar properties. Go to Object, Expand Appearance. Now there's shapes. On your red circle, you're going to right click, hit Arrange, Send to Back. and you're going to scale it up to meet the outside of your shapes. Select your ellipse tool again, give it a different fill color, make a small circle. Make this more or less the same size as the original logo. That looks pretty good. So now select your shape, holding shift, select the red shape, click on your red shape one more time to make it the key object, go to horizontal align center and vertical align center. Now we know it's in the center of a red circle, but we need it to be on the edge. So select your circle, your small circle one more time, select your red circle one more time, make it the key object by clicking on it again, and this time hit horizontal align right. Now you can get rid of the red circle in the middle. You can change the color of these shapes. And we are going to delete the shapes that interfere with our circle. Select all by hitting Ctrl A, go to Object, Compound Path, Make, and there is our logo. I took it one step further by rounding the corners. In that case, go to Release Compound Path, select your shapes only, your triangle shapes only, hit the letter A to activate the Direct Selection tool. You should have your corners option up here. I did it in the 0.5. I think it looks a little bit cleaner. However, you don't have to do that. So there it is. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you like, subscribe, tell a friend. If you have any suggestions as to what logo I should remake next, leave a message, leave a comment. Hope you guys learned something new today. Until next time, have a good one, guys.